Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F7 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's begin with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and then we can enter the Play Store. However, you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. You can do it either after entering the Play Store on your own, or you can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So as I said, let's open the Play Store. And here we have to tap on this circle in the right upper corner, which is our account. Then let's tap on My Apps and Games, tap on Manage, right here, and tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, in my case, I've got only one app which can be updated. Of course, probably you will have much more. So to update the app, we have to mark it. You can of course mark all of the apps which will appear right here, and then tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.